Test. All right. Okay. So let's just do this really quickly. So I have this program. So basically, so here's my calculator, and so if I do program CS, enter. Okay, it asks me x equals what? So I put in 30, and it displays something, but then it goes away. So I don't like that. So okay, so I don't like that it displays and then goes away. It would be much better for it to return it so I can press the up arrow and use it further. Oh, it's like, why are you even being so stupid? Alright, so we're going to do this, save it, upload it, send it. Okay, so we got this. So now I'm going to program CS, enter, x equals what? 30. Okay, then I got a list. Oh, that's so sick. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so now let's just so new program, right? So new program, file, new, okay, program, CS0. All right, this is just going to be, so prompt x. You know what I'm curious about? Okay, so wait, hold on. Let's just say I'm gonna do 30 store A. Okay, now A is 30. So now if I do program CS, enter, x equals what? A. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can use a variable. It evaluates the variable. Okay. So what do we need to do? We just need to copy this this thing. And I'm just going to do this. And it's just going to be 0. And do we want it to be L1? Interestingly, how do you even, like, subscript this? Like, what is that? I think you just, yeah, you just do this. So, yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm down to store into L1. Right? I feel like... Is that an issue? I think, one thing I could do is, because how many functions can I define? Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a new one. And I'm going to call it CS no store. No stow. And all we're going to do is just, it's just going to return this. I don't get what the colon's about, but if I do this, CS no stow. Oops. And let's transfer these programs. Okay, so now I do program CS no program CS no stow. Enter 30, and it just gives me the list, and then I can just. The thing is, when you. How do I capture the screen? Oh, you know what? Wait, hold on. Let's try this. Can I just record a video? That'd be sick. There's no way though. Because I think what it does is it doesn't actually screenshot this thing. It records some internal state and then rebuilds it. That's what I would expect to happen. But can I? That would be pretty sick if you could. Quit exam mode. Anyways, what I want to do is I want to do ants, stow, list, L1. Actually, let's do L2. Okay, now let's do list, L2. Okay, so that works. Okay, I got it. So you can't just store it into any variable, which is like kind of ridiculous, but... Oh, and I actually have a... Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, a dot... Unit V. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, so, okay, that's good. Okay, so here we go. So square root... Does that work? Square root sum... Prompt L1... Okay. Dude, I'm gonna get so good at this thing. Alright, into... Wait, but I don't think... Oh, this will work. Okay, N to norm. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so codes... Oh, wait, no. Codes... File, new, save... Oh, wait. Norm. Save. Norm. Alright, so let's try to do this. Alright, so we send over norm. So now I got program, norm. It should have overwritten it. I do enter L is equal to what? Let's just make it L2. Variable used is not currently defined. Yeah, it is. Wait, but actually I have the expressions stored in here, so let's just make sure that the... Okay, so it's definitely right. But this didn't work. So, okay, program. Alright, so let's just put in a literal list. So 3, 4, close. For norm, I keep getting error undefined variable used. Okay, so what are we doing here? So I keep getting... Prompt works well for normal variables with prompting. Better pattern input. Okay. Oh, wait. This thing is so cool, though. Program 3, enter, vec equals... I think what I have to do is like just like make it like this. That's what I'm expecting. Let's try this. Oh. What? Bro. I could do that. Let's try normal one. That's actually not the worst idea. Babe, what is L1 right now? Oh yeah, it's 3.4. Okay, so let's save this as, and then send it. Is there a hotkey to send it? File. Oh, Control E. Okay. All right. Program. Normal 1 4. Variable used is not currently defined. Because I don't think that this is even right. Like, I think... Like, let's try to do this. Because it's probably... Okay, so here's what we want. We want math, sum, L1... What is this? Okay, so what I want to look up is list. Can we find list? Where is that doc? Was it this? It was this. Okay, so I want this reference guide, and I want list. Oh, you got a named list? That's what that is? Okay, that's interesting. This thing returns a... Oh, diff? They have a diff function in here? So wait, but here's what I want to know. Okay, first let's build this up. So here's what we're gonna do. Math. We're gonna take L1. And we're just square it. Okay, so it's a normal L1 is just gonna square L1. Okay? Ugh, fuck this stupid fucking thing. Okay, let's try it again. Control E, enter. Okay, program, norm L1, enter. Okay, good. Now we want sum. I don't know what those colons are about. What is the... Because I don't really get what the colon is. Okay, so now let's do sum. We're just going to make sure this thing works one at a time. Program for, oh wait, clear. Program for, enter. Okay, 25. Now we just need square root. Okay, square root sum L1 squared. That's like perfect. 4, enter. Okay, so square root was the thing, bro. These fools. Is there a search function? Can I find? Oh, here we go. Square root. Square root. Square root. Square root. So how do you invoke square root though? I think there's probably like some insane thing I have to do. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so now I figured it out though. You just have to do this, and there's some special Unicode character. Okay, so this is gonna work. Oh. All right, so it was square root all along. Let's see if this thing figured it out. Oh, here we go. Oh, wait, that actually could be too. Wait, but if I just type L1, yeah, okay, but I don't think that's. But was that true? Actually, let's go back to. All right, write these functions again. Did this work? Did CS work? Yeah, CS worked, right? So it stores it. So wait, program. Let me edit CS. Okay, so that looks right. So program CS enter 30. Okay, then I do L1. Okay, that's fine. It's too bad that this software doesn't work on Linux. I don't have a Windows VM to run this thing on. Oh, Noir is here, bro. I love these people that pop in, that see what's up. Okay, so I think I figured it out, though. I think that the only problem with this was this Unicode thing. So let's just run this thing. Okay, so what's the deal with the colons, though? Did it ever tell me what the deal was with that? Oh. So I don't think you even need them. Like, okay. All right, so whatever, right? So let's just try this thing. So program, I just want to look at norm L1. So it implicitly puts them in there anyways. All right, so it's clear. Oh, shit. Wait, no. How do I undo that? Wait, quit. Program. Edit. 4. Oh, it deleted it. So it's actually like super easy to delete your functions. That's kind of insane. Okay, whatever. So we gotta write this thing again. Okay. All right. Program. Norm. Good. All right. Alright, so I think that all I have to do is just replace this with this. Alright, so let's try to write this one. Alright, so I'm going to provide it L2. What just happened? Okay, list 3, forced close store L2. Now L2. Okay, so now program norm enter vec equals what? L2. Beautiful. Okay, so we got the norm function. Now let's get normalize. Okay, so alright, so CS, I mean, I think it's the same, but let's just write this. I'll come back and like actually, I don't even trust this thing. Input prompts for value to store to variable. Oh, so prompt? Huh. Display storing and stores. Okay, so input is actually, prompt is actually better. But, I mean, I don't care. I mean, it's the same shit to me because I'm only writing unary functions anyways. All right, so let's just see what's going on here. So we got norm L1, we got unit vector. All right, so here we go. So we're going to store the norm. If the norm is 0, stop end. Oh, if then end. L1 divided by n over... Bro, this is fucking gas, dude. Yeah, bro. This is fucking gas. If I turn this thing off, if I turn this thing off and I turn it on, and I go to programs, okay, I still have them. Okay, so I... Stop. And... Then... Man, the last time I used a computer was forever ago. I think it's probably the equals. That would be my guess. Is if n equals 0. If I had to guess. So if we were to go to here, it's probably test. Isn't there test? is greater if, so that just writes if. But if test, it's probably this, test equal. But I don't know, is it gonna be infix like this? Probably this part. I'm not convinced, but fuck. I hate that this thing. Does this thing have a VM where I could like run it in here and try to like debug this thing? Because the syntax errors here suck. All it says is error syntax. Check all arguments entered, but it doesn't tell me. Oh wait, go to. Oh, it is the then. It is the then. Why is that? Wait, make sure these are all real tokens. Let's see what the then is. If I put in then, I think it is just the word then. These are really fun, actually. Where is the official? But it's in there, so clearly. Programming guide. Okay, so conditionals. Can I just look up conditionals? Examples. If x is less than 10, then. Dude, what if we like tried to like do the run colats numbers on this thing? I feel like what if my ti-84 disproved the colats conjecture? Now that would be fun. Actually, you would have to. Yeah, actually, I don't even know what that means. That's the same thing. I think what I have to do is Why can't I just do... Oh, increment in school. Where's the test function guides though? So we have this, equal. Is it gonna be in here? Or is it gonna be somewhere else? Test. What does 5 mean? What does 1 mean? Oh. Oh, is that just its... No, what the fuck is that? What is this? Alright, wait, let's try the no then. Okay, wait, what if I go to the program? Wait, I want to go program, edit, unit V. I'm going to replace this. I'm going to delete this character, then I'm going to insert, then I'm going to go to test, then I'm going to enter in the equals. And then here I'm going to delete the then I'm going to put in not that, but then. Okay. Now quit. Program, unit V, enter, vec equals L2. Bro. What is wrong with the then? Dude, fuck it. Okay, let's delete this. Colon. If n equals. I should just be able to write 0. Is there examples? Quit exam mode. Yeah, quit exam mode. I don't want to be in exam mode. Bro, what? There should be example programs. Because if I just like do... Where was it? Here we go. Can we try this? Let's do okay, so input x x equals, and then we do x like that, right? Then we say, oh yeah, if x greater than 5, then disp big, else disp small, and end, right? That should work. Contest. If then else. Input, if x is less than 0, then did I get this right? Oh, okay, I need to separate the arguments like this. And if yeah, I think I got it. So let's upload this thing. Program cond test. Enter syntax error. Go to. What did I do wrong here? Is it the space? You gotta be kidding me if it's the space. Come on, I got stuff to do. This is so lame. Okay, let's put in 6. Okay, go to the error. Bro, then is just not working. I think... Okay, wait. But, I don't know what is going on with this, because this is, like, literally what it is. Do I... Oh, can I try to update my software? Is there a way to update this thing? But I think it's the conditionals themselves. Oh, How do I make a new line? Or let's just do this. Space, colon, and then the, oh fuck, this thing, god damn it. Shit. Program, edit. Yo, something is glitching. Program, edit, this. Okay, now here, we need to go to program, then. Let's try to do that. Okay, so let's quit, program, contest, enter x equals 6. Is it really the space? No, it can't be the space. What is it then? Well, let's try it again, I guess. Oh shit. Wait. No fucking way, dude. I think the parser, I think it might just be like, it literally is just insanely sensitive. The parser's just weak. Okay, fine. I'm fine to deal with that. I don't even care. It doesn't even bother me. No, it really doesn't. Okay, so that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so now I think I know what the problem is, right? It's just that there's some fucking thing here, right? I think it's just this. So let's send over unit V again. Do we still have... Okay, so program, unit V, enter, vec is L2. Dude, I'm so sick. I'm so sick, bro. I'm so sick. Okay, cool. Sorry, so I got it. It was just that, like... So I have unit V working, right? Okay, so we got CS, we got CS0, we got norm L1, we got unit V, unit L1. Dude, I've had this bug recently where, I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. Is dim really what that is? Does that work? Yeah, let's try to get cross working. But I think that So can't I provide a list, or do I have to do it like that? I think can't I just do? I want to try. But then that's it. Then we're done. Okay, so let's just do a new cross this prompt. Oh. I'm just gonna do it like this. Prompt L1 L2. Okay, so let's just find. So we're gonna do. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the list 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna stow it in L3. Okay, then we're gonna do list 4, 5, 6, stow L4. Then we need to upload this. Wait, what? Okay, so we got cross program cross. What the? It's a little laggy. L1 is L3. L2 is L4. Bro, it's over. It's over. I'm so happy. Because if I go to, let's see. Where's my terminal? Do I not have a terminal? Why is it so slow? I must have a long startup or something. Bro! Oh, that's so useful. So the most useful ones... Oh, let's do dot. Alright, let's just do dot. I know for a fact that during the exam, I'm going to be like, wait, where did it store it? And then... So actually what I'll do is I'll just say... let's do this. So in here, I'm going to say... disp store just so that then I know. We're going to go through and update all of these. This one, no stow. That's good. Disp stow into N. Normal one. That one's fine. Disp. Oh, wait. Where's my disp? Disp stow L. Two. L2. Wait, no, L2. L2. The gray cuber, bro, he knows what's up. Alright, alright, so this is nothing. And then cross. Alright, so I think we're good to upload. Can we just upload all of them? Fuck. Alright, fine. Send. 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 Do I really want it to, like, bother me about where it stored it? I feel like maybe I don't even want this. But okay, so let's just try to run program cross again. Okay, so cross, enter, L3, enter, L4, enter. You can't display this. I want to test this out. You can't display the arrow key. That's actually funny. I don't know if that's actually what just happened, but that's pretty funny. I actually don't I don't even think it should store it. I feel like these functions, I don't even want them to store. So we're going to say that cross, it just returns. I don't need these things to stow. For show, I don't need them to stow. Oh, but the only thing is... You know what I'm curious about, though? If I do input, okay, what I want to do is say store X into Y. But this, I want it to be a variable, right? That's not the same variable as where I'm at. Here, I'm just going to ask the question because I don't know why I'm being stupid. Is there a way to write a program where I don't have to specify ahead of time which variable I want to store the result in? I hard-coded into the program. Say I want to take cross of L1 and L2 and store in L4, for example. That makes sense. Yeah, so I'll just remember to stow. You know? I'll just remember to stow. Yo-ho. I don't actually agree with that. I don't actually agree with saying words like that. No, just fucking... Okay, so we're just going to return the cross product. And same with the unit vector. I don't want to stow. I'll just manually stow. I'm just going to manually stow. But this one, like, maybe this one's fine. I feel like this one's actually useful. Because, like, n... Like, when is an instance where I'm gonna take a norm and then be like, oh shit, I don't want to overwrite. Can I call this anything? Can I call this foo? I'm just curious, like, programming wise, you would expect this to work. Okay, so wait, I have L4. I want to take the norm of L4. Wait, do I have L2 still? That's the same. Okay, program. What am I doing? Norm. So you can't just call it anything. Alright, whatever. Bro, it's probably like 4 p.m. It's 3. Okay, wait, so what am I trying to say? If I want to store it, I'll just store it myself. I'm sick of this. But actually, do I have to call it this? I think I do have to call it this, but it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so what I want to know is... But it's not going to stow it. It's not going to stow it. We need to check that. So I'm going to figure out... Oh, shit. Okay, if I do L1, it's some random thing. So I'm going to enter this in. And then I'm going to run it. So I'm going to run the norm of L4. Wait, but some... We need to rerun this. Okay, wait. Why can't I just compute something? Oh. Wait, does that work? That's nice. Then I don't have to overwrite it. Oh, that's better. So wait, let's try that. Okay. E, enter, program, norm. So wait, first off, I actually need to rerun this code. Then program, norm, enter. I don't think that it works like that. Wait, but what if I did that? Ants is probably... Let's try it. I don't really think that... I mean... Where's the list of all the fucking... Matrix, mode, fix... Okay, so yeah, I have to get back to doing my homework for real. But where are the variables? That's kind of what I don't understand. Char, international, special, other, keypad, ants. Are they different antses? I don't think so. I think it's the same. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so what the freak do I do? What do I want? Maybe is the better question. So I think the better thing to do is just designate, L9. Oh wait, I only get 6? How many lists do I get? I only get 6. Alright, so we're just going to put it in L6. And that's just like how it's got to be. That's like the temporary one. So then all of these things, they need to be stored into... well, wait. Oh, but this, okay. This one's different. This one, I don't even want to do this, though. I don't want to stow no mo. I don't want to stow no mo. Wait, this isn't even right. C is 0 is supposed to give me an extra 0. I don't want to stow no mo. So then no stow, we should just be able to delete. Can I delete programs off of this thing? How do I delete programs? Second mem? Where the hell is mem? Oh, I got it. Bro, what the fuck? I want to delete them all. I don't want to stow no more. All right, so we just want coast. Yeah, we want this. So let's. Oh wait. So this we don't even need, because that's we're not stowing at all. And then I'm just gonna leave, and I'm gonna go back to working on the actual thing for the exam. All right, so yeah. Did I send it? I don't know if I sent it. Do I even need this? I don't even want that. But I do want unit vec. Oh, and I want dot. I didn't do dot. Oh, but here, this needs to be L6. So instead of this, we're going to make it L6. And instead of this, we're going to make it L6. So then, that way, it doesn't overwrite. It only overwrites the designated temporary list. I don't want to stow no more. Okay. And then we just need cross product. And then here, yeah, so this similarly needs to be L5, L6. And then L5. Actually, wait, hold on. I feel like there probably is. Oh, but where's the output? Oh, there's no output. Good. Okay. Wait. Okay, wait. So we're good. So wait, did I upload this? Wait, hold on. So close this. Okay, all I want to do is one quick check. So we're going to do L1 and L2. They're different lengths. So I'm going to do program dot enter L1, L2, dimension mismatch. See, that's the thing, is it already had a dimension mismatch. So I didn't even need to write that in my code. So we're good. All right, so I'm out of here. We did it.